Thank you for being here. Today we're diving into protein, but don't get it twisted. This isn't just for gym buffs or bodybuilders. Protein is something we all need, and the coolest part is, you can find it in some of your favorite fruits. That's right, fruits can pack a protein punch. Today we'll break down why protein is so important, debunk some of the myths, and reveal the top 10 fruits that are sneakily loaded with protein. Plus, stick around for a delicious smoothie recipe that's not only nutritious, but will leave you feeling full and satisfied. Let's jump in. So, what is protein and why should you care? Well, think of your body as a well-built house. Every room, wall, and window has to be carefully placed, right? Well, protein is the bricks, the building block that keeps your body strong and functional. Muscles, skin, and even your blood rely on protein to stay healthy and repair themselves. So whether you're out running, studying hard, or just lounging on the couch, protein is constantly at work in the background, making sure everything's running smoothly. Without enough protein, your body's foundation would start to crumble. It's like trying to build a house with weak bricks. It just wouldn't hold up. That's why getting enough protein every day is key for feeling strong and energized. So now you may be wondering, how much protein do you actually need to keep your body in tip-top shape? Think of it like filling your car with gas. You don't need to overfill, but you also can't run on empty. For most adults, the magic number falls around 46 to 56 grams of protein per day. But before you start worrying about eating nothing but meat and eggs, don't sweat it. A balanced diet, even one with fruits, can help you hit that number. So, okay, let's clear up some common myths about protein that might be leading you astray. Myth number 1, you can only get protein from meat. Wrong. It's like saying the only place you can get water is from the sink. Protein is everywhere, in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and grains. Myth number 2, more protein is better. Not true. Think of your body like a sponge. Once it's full of water, adding more won't do anything except cause a mess. Your body can only use so much protein, and anything extra doesn't give you added benefits. Myth number 3, protein shakes are the best sources of protein. Convenient, yes. Essential, not at all. Whole foods, especially fruits, are packed with vitamins, fiber, and minerals that you simply don't get from shakes. It's like comparing a homemade meal to fast food. One's complete and the other is missing something. Now let's get into the top 10 fruits that are low-key protein powerhouses. You won't believe how much muscle fuel they offer. First on our list is guava, a real protein star. With 4.2 grams of protein per cup, guava is like the MVP of fruits. Not only does it pack protein, but it's also rich in vitamin C, giving your immune system a double boost. Guava is a powerhouse, and the best part of it is, it's delicious as it is nutritious. Next up, let's talk about avocado, the smooth operator of the fruit world. With 3 grams of protein per cup, this creamy delight is your perfect partner in crime. Whether you spread it on a toast, toss it in a salad, or blend it into a smoothie, avocado always know how to deliver. It's the ultimate multitasker, providing healthy fats along with essential protein. Ready for something small but mighty? Blackberries are next. With 2 grams of protein per cup, don't let their size fool you. These little berries pack an antioxidant punch too. Fighting off harmful free radicals, they're the perfect snack to keep you healthy and energized all day long. Now let's shake things up with a surprise contender, oranges. Known mostly for their vitamin C, these juicy fruits also give you 1.2 grams of protein per fruit. Oranges aren't just about keeping the sniffies away, they offer subtle protein boosts, making them the perfect midday snack to revitalize your body. Sliding into the 5th spot is a fan favorite, bananas. With 1.3 grams of protein per medium banana, these convenient snacks are great for when you're on the go. Whether you're heading to the gym, school, or work, bananas are an easy, portable way to give your body a quick energy and protein boost. Let's sweeten things up with apricots. While fresh apricots give you 0.5 grams of protein per fruit, dried apricots offer even more bang for your bite. They're like little golden gems, perfect for snacking or adding to your favorite trail mix, giving you a satisfying sweetness with a protein kicker. Time to mix some tropical tang with kiwi. This fuzzy, vibrant fruit contains 2 grams of protein per cup, making it a refreshing, nutritious treat. Plus, eating a kiwi is like eating a rainbow, bright, flavorful, and packed with muscle-boosting power. Next, we've got mulberries, another berry that proves small fruits can have big benefits. With 2 grams of protein per cup, mulberries are a sweet snack that can be sprinkled on cereal, tossed into yogurt, or just munch on as is. They're a fun way to add a little protein to your routine while indulging your sweet tooth. Next, don't underestimate the humble raisin. With 1 gram of protein per ounce, raisins are like tiny energy bombs, perfect for those mid-afternoon snack cravings. Pop a handful in your mouth and you've got a sweet, convenient way to get a protein fix on the go. Finally, let's finish with a tropical twist. Passion fruit. The exotic fruit packed a surprising 5 grams of protein per cup, making it a muscle-boosting powerhouse wrapped in a flavorful package. It's like a tropical vacation for your taste buds, and your muscles will thank you too. Now that we've got the fruits, let's turn them into a tropical protein smoothie that's delicious and packed with nutrients. Let's go over the ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of guava, which provides 4.2 grams of protein, 1 banana with 1.3 grams of protein, a half avocado, which has 1.5 grams of protein, 1 orange with 1.2 grams of protein, 1 cup of almond milk, and a handful of ice for that perfect chill. Start by peeling and chopping your fruits into blender-friendly pieces. Toss all the ingredients into your blender. Don't forget the almond milk for that creamy finish. Blend until smooth. Think of it as sipping your way to a tropical gateway. Pour into a glass, throw in a straw, and enjoy. With about 9 grams of protein, this smoothie will keep you satisfied and energized. And there you have it, a deep dive into protein-packed fruits. Who knew these tasty treats could help you hit your daily protein goals? Protein isn't just about meat or shakes. It's hiding in the sweetest spots like guava and kiwis. So the next time you need a healthy snack, reach for these fruits to fuel your body the natural way. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss out on more tips. Comment below and let me know which fruit surprised you the most. Until next time.